A common theme on the GMAT is being smart about calculations, keeping them as simple as possible. That saves time and it often reduces mistakes as well. Here's a great example. Pause the video if you'd like to give it a try. There's a hard way to solve this. You could simplify the inner parentheses to 1.03 to the fourth power and multiply 1.03 by itself 4 times. But that's going to be long and messy. Is there a smarter approach? First, look at the answer choices. They're all quite far apart. That's a great clue that an estimate is probably all you need. Now let's think about what happens each time you multiply by 1.03. It's the same thing as increasing the number by 3%. And 3% of 1.03 is still about 0.03. It's just slightly more. So after one multiplication, you're at about 1.06. Multiply by 1.03 again, that's about 1.09. And one last time, about 1.12. Now plug that estimate back into the original expression. 1.12 minus 1 is 0.12, and 100 times 0.12 is 12. Choice C is 12.6, and since we've been slightly underestimating at each step, it makes sense that the exact answer is a little higher. So C is correct. The takeaway is this. Whenever a GMAT problem seems to require a long calculation, ask yourself whether an estimate is good enough. If the answer choices are spread far apart, it often is. Here, recognizing that multiplying by 1.03 is the same as adding 3%, let us estimate our way to the correct answer in just a few seconds. Hopefully that helps the GMAT make sense. For a more strategic approach to GMAT Quant and data insights, check out my free study reset at the link in the description.